Hello, this is our presentation for STS environmental problem that will be presented by me, Nashras.
Ronald Mark Masalonga.
Gabriel G. Gokong.
Andre Manalo.
Asher Limbo.
Leonard Diguinho.
Causes and effects, how the country is affected, resolution, possible solution to minimize effects. Natural resources management. Natural resources management refers to the sustainable utilization and conservation of resources such as land, water, soil, plants, and animals. It aims to ensure that these resources are available for future generations while balancing environmental, economic, and social needs. In the Philippines, natural resources management is crucial due to the country's rich biodiversity and dependence on these resources for livelihood and economic growth. It means that natural resources management involves only using and conserving natural assets to balance ecological, economic, and social needs. By this, they're ensuring that their availability is for the future generations.
Causes, deforestation. Imagine entire forest being chopped down for timber or to clear land for farms and cities. This leaves many animals homeless and disrupts the delicate balance of nature. Overfishing. Sometimes catching too many fishes too quickly, not giving the fish population enough time to recover. This can lead to fewer fish in the seas and affects those who rely on fish for food and income.
Next is pollution. Pollution happens when harmful substances like waste or chemicals enter the environment. For example, factories may dump waste into rivers, or farmers might use too many chemicals on crops. This pollutes the air, water, and soil, which harm plants, animals, and even humans. Next is climate change. Climate change refers to the Earth changing weather patterns caused by rising temperature. This happens because of activity like burning fossil fuels, which release heat trapping gases. As a result, we experience stronger typhoons, longer droughts, and more frequent floods, all of which cause damage and disrupt lives. Next is mining. Mining is the process of digging up valuable resources like metals and minerals. While it's necessary for many industries, it can harm the environment by destroying the land, polluting water, and affecting nearby communities if not done carefully.
Next is effects. Loss of biodiversity, then forests are cut down or oceans are overfished. Many species lose their homes and face extinction, disrupting ecosystems. Soil degradation without trees and plants to hold it together. Soil can erode and lose its nutrients, making it harder for farmers to grow crops. Water scarcity. Polluted and overused water sources means there are less clean water for drinking, farming, and daily use. Economic impact. Environmental damage hurts local economies, especially for those who depend on farming, fishing, and tourism. Health issues. Polluted air and water lead to serious health problems like respiratory illness and waterborne diseases.
How badly is the country affected? The Philippines is facing serious challenges due to poor natural resources management. Forests are disappearing fast, leaving less space for wildlife and increasing the risk of landslide. Overfishing and pollution are depleting marine life, which many coastal communities depend on. Water pollution is making clean water scarcer, and climate change is bringing more destructive storms and raising sea levels, threatening millions of lives.
Three resolutions to minimize the effect of the environmental issues. The first one is sustainable forestry practices. By enforcing strict rules on logging and encouraging the planting of new trees, we can help restore forests and protect wildlife. And the second one is marine conservation initiatives. Creating protected areas in the ocean, promoting responsible fishing, and reducing population pollution can help marine ecosystem recover and thrive. And the last one is pollution control measures. Stronger laws on waste disposal, better agricultural practices, and improved waste management system can significantly reduce pollution and protect public health. And that's the end of our presentation. Thank you.